Welcome to Lab of Wonders. Today I am really very angry for this sudden rain. Because of this sudden rain, my beautiful snow park visit cancelled. But I have decided that today I will see snow. So today I am really very excited because I am gonna make instant snow with one experiment, and the name of the experiment is instant snow. Let's get started. For this experiment we need some water, a spoon, some food coloring, a petri dish, and some instant snow powder. First, I'll pour some instant snow powder into the petri dish and spread it a little. Now I'll mix it and pour a little bit of it into the snow. Look, the snow is coming out. The powder is changing into snow. Look, isn't it cool? Now I have made one more color water. Now I'll take some orange color and add it also to make my snow look more good. Look, it's like snow. I'll complete pouring it and then show it to you nicely. Wow, it's so good. Hooray! A snow is ready. Let's play with it a little. Wow, it's so good at its feel. Let's go to the orange side now. Wow. Do you know how this happened? The instant snow powder absorbs the water instantly. That's why it looks like snow. Now I want to play with my snow. Bye-bye.